Show a little too much belly fat. Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, today we are going to prepare the world's greatest peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's right, I figured out a way to improve on the most basic sandwich in the world. I cooked this sandwich last night for myself, and it changed my entire life. I questioned my childhood. This sandwich was so good. I made mistakes in my past that this sandwich would have cured. Family, y'all stand by. We'll be right back for this brief 5-minute video on how to prepare the world's greatest peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Right here, right now. All right, family, the ingredients you're going to need for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is peanut butter, jelly of your choice, and actually, I have a hot jelly that I use. It's spicy, and it puts an added caveat to this sandwich. Now, here's the game changer. I found this when I was going through Walmart, family. It's called chocolate chip brioche loaf. That's right, chocolate chip bread. Think about that. Chocolate chip, peanut butter and jelly, and butter. Butter of your choice. I'm using the Parkay spread. Family, game changer. All right, family. If you've been around the channel for a while, you've seen this before. This is basically, I call it a grilled cheese sandwich maker. I'm sure there's an official name for it. I'll drop it in the description box below, and the price, and there's several different versions of this. I'll drop a couple of those in the description box below so you can pick one up for yourself. I'm using my Coleman grill. Y'all can see that right here. Boom. You don't have to use this sandwich maker. You can actually prepare this sandwich on the stove. All right, fellas, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to fire up this grill. And if you don't know, I'm in the sunroom. We finished doing the house up front. We just got to add furniture, so it's kind of echoey. So I decided to do my video back here because the weather outside is not cooperating. So we're going to go ahead. We got the fire going. We're going to add our chocolate chip bread. Family. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. I did mention that you need a butter knife, correct? Let's go ahead and shut that down for now. All right, family. Gonna go ahead and put us some peanut butter, just like you would any typical peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Booyah! Oh, and by the way, this is the Jif Honey Creamy Peanut Butter. Delicious. Now I'm actually making this one for Lady Red because she said she needed something sweet in her life, and at the moment I wasn't enough. Oh yeah, normally Big Daddy is enough sweetness in your life. Get you some of that. All right, a little jelly. And like I told y'all, I actually have a spicy jelly that I use that I get from the farmer market on the weekend, and that put an extra. My sandwich last night had the spicy jelly. Oh my goodness. This one with the chocolate chips is almost too good. It's almost too sweet. All right, family, so we're going to go ahead and put that together like we would a normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, we're going to take and we're going to, ooh, this is a brand new, we're going to spray that Parkay. Liberally on both sides. Let's go ahead and fire back up the Coleman. We're going to turn that Coleman stove down about halfway, and we're going to go ahead and drop this sandwich in. Like I said, if you don't have one of these sandwich makers, you can do this on with a frying pan on the stove. It will come out just fine. All right, family, we're going to close this up, and we're going to leave it on this side for about a minute. We're going to flip it over on the other side for about a minute. World's greatest peanut butter and jelly sandwich. 1 minute prep time, 2 minutes cook time. Everybody's happy. All right, family, y'all stand by, and I will be right back. All right, family. Been approximately 1 minute on that side. We're going to flip it. Uh-oh. We left that one too long.
You can have that one.
That's gonna wind up being mine, family. I left it too long. You know, I make those mistakes so y'all don't have to. I walked away to go get my spicy jelly, so it should have been on about 45 seconds versus 1 minute. So let's go ahead and cut this fire off. Let it do its thing, and we're gonna cook a second one. That's what's gonna wind up being mine. Oh, that side came out perfect, y'all.
Oh, that one smells. Yeah, that one looks good.
I know, the other side, oh, that's hot.
The other side's a little crispy.
You know what mama said? You're gonna be stupid, you gotta be twice as tough.
That's what your mama said?
That's what mama said.
Did you listen?
No, I was stupid most of the time. All right, family, let's try that one more time. And this time we're gonna get it perfect. Where's my other bread at?
In the cabinet.
Oh, no. I got it right here. I put it on in the recline. Gotta have the chocolate bread. Chocolate chip bread, y'all. Oh my God. It's gonna be too sweet, almost. You gonna kiss me. Mm-hmm. I think with those chocolate chips, you gotta be real careful because it cooks like I said, 45 seconds. It will be ready. And with the jelly, y'all try to keep that jelly kind of centered on the bread because it's gonna get loosey-goosey on you when it gets hot. All right, boom. All right, family. All right. Spray that with a little butter. All right, here we go, y'all. Round two. All right. We're gonna turn that fire down low. And like I said, we're gonna keep that at about 45 seconds, y'all. And I've given this enough time to cool down. Look at that, y'all. Watch this. Watch this crunch.
That's good.
What? I'm telling you, that is truly the world's best peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
You can burn your mouth.
Yeah, that Oh my. I'm keeping it real time this one, y'all. That was about 30 seconds. I flipped it. We'll flip it one more time. We'll plate that and let it cool off for about a minute and a half because you don't want those chocolate chips to burn you. Oh yeah. We ain't got no milk, do we? Oh, a glass of milk. Oh my God.
That's all you need.
Oh, perfection. All right, let's go ahead and cut that off. You can't have none of this. All right, fam. We're going to go ahead and plate that baby.
Get away from there.
All right, fam. Now that's what she's supposed to look like. Look at that. Both sides. Booyah! Now, Lady Red ain't dressed because she's right out of her nap for work.
Working.
Yeah, she's working. Yes, she's not retired yet. All right, fam. We're gonna let her tell y'all off camera how delicious that is.
Watch out, this girl.
What you think?
That's delicious.
The chocolate chips ain't overboard? What about a regular piece of bread?
I think I like it like this.
Oh yeah. All right, there you have it, family. From the horse's mouth.
I ain't no horse, but we need some milk.
I know, right? Family, we don't have any milk.
Fitzgerald. Look at Fitzgerald.
I know Fitzgerald's sitting. Look how good he's sitting, y'all. Oh, now he's standing.
I think he's gonna get some. Ain't gonna get nothing.
They ain't getting none of that. It got chocolate in it. All right. Oh, that's delicious. All right, family. If y'all enjoyed this, hold on. Let me get the pretty face in the frame right there. All right, fam. If y'all enjoyed this quick Down and Dirty video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next video. The world's greatest peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm patenting this thing, I'm telling you, because I don't want nobody to steal credit for this. In 20 years from now, when your grandkids ask for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you tell them Rosie sent you. Peace out.